Introducing Euronics sensor taps, where automation meets elegance and hygiene flows with innovation. Discover mounting types to fulfill aesthetic possibilities, the perfect fusion of design and functionality. Whether it's basin, counter, wall, or ceiling, various mounting styles that match every design vision. Basin Mount automatic taps, designed for installation on basins or counters with a tap hole tailored to your preference. Countermount automatic taps, installed through a tap hole in the counter, offering a sleek, clutter-free design. Wall mount automatic taps, elegantly fixed to the wall above the basin with no tap hole needed on the counter or basin. Ceiling mount automatic taps, mounted from the ceiling, delivering a luxurious, futuristic touchless experience. Explore our curated combos, series and products to fulfill style possibilities. With our 2-in-1 automatic tap combo, sensor tap and soap series, and standalone automatic taps, Euronics seamlessly blends design, hygiene, and innovation. Our 2-in-1 automatic tap offers dual functionality, dispensing both water and soap from a single streamlined unit. The Sensor Tap and Soap Dispenser series by Euronics delivers a cohesive and elevated washroom solution, harmonizing functionality with minimalist design. Our standalone automatic tap offers touch-free solution, reliable performance, and a cost-effective upgrade to hygiene standards. Add a touch of sophistication with our premium finish options, crafted to complement any decor. Experience an extensive product range by Euronics. Upgrade your washroom with Euronics. We enhance both functionality and aesthetics across your washroom space.